Thinking about visiting the UK soon? Whether it's for sightseeing, visiting family, or attending an event, applying for a UK visitor visa from Nigeria doesn't have to be confusing. I'm John from Law and Visas, your trusted immigration law firm, and I'm here to guide you step by step through the entire process, share the documents you'll need, and give you tips to help your application stand out. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to start your application online at the official UK government visa website, which is gov.uk. Here, you'll fill out the visitor visa application form. Be careful to enter your information exactly as it appears on your passport. Accuracy is crucial because even small mistakes can slow things down or cause problems. Once you complete the form, you'll be asked to pay the visa fee online. Currently, the UK visitor visa fee is $100 for a standard 6-month visit. Keep your payment receipt handy because you'll need it for your appointment. Speaking of the appointment, after submitting your application, you'll have to book and attend a biometrics appointment at a visa application center. In Nigeria, these centers are located in Lagos and Abuja. During your appointment, they will take your fingerprints and a photograph as part of the security process. Now let's talk about the documents you need to prepare before your appointment. Here's a quick checklist. Your Nigerian passport, valid for at least 6 months beyond your planned travel date. A recent passport-sized photograph that meets UK visa requirements. Proof of your financial situation, bank statements for the last 3 to 6 months to show you can support yourself during your stay. Details of your travel plans, including your intended arrival and departure dates, accommodation bookings, and itinerary. A letter explaining the purpose of your visit, whether it's tourism, visiting family, or attending an event. Evidence of your ties to Nigeria, like a letter from your employer, proof of property ownership, or family commitments to show you intend to return home. If someone in the UK is inviting you, include their invitation letter and proof of their legal status in the UK. Make sure all your documents are organized, clear, and genuine. The UK visa officers want to be confident that you will leave the UK when your visit ends. After your biometrics appointment, your application will be processed. Processing times vary, but usually it takes about 3 weeks. It's best to apply at least 3 months before your planned trip to avoid stress. Now, let me quickly answer some questions many Nigerians ask. Do I need travel insurance for my UK visa application? Travel insurance is not mandatory for the UK visitor visa, but it's highly recommended to protect yourself against emergencies during your trip. How much money should I show on my bank statements? There's no set amount, but you need to show enough funds to cover your flights, accommodation, and daily expenses without relying on public funds. Can I apply without a previous travel history? Yes, you can apply even if you have no previous travel experience, but you must prove strong ties to Nigeria and a clear reason for your visit. Here are some quick tips to boost your chances. Be honest in your application and don't submit fake documents, which can lead to a ban. Keep your documents neat and easy to read. Write a clear cover letter explaining your travel plans and intention to return. If you get an interview, answer questions confidently and truthfully. And finally, if you're unsure or want extra support, it's a great idea to consult a trusted immigration law firm like Law and Visas. We help Nigerians navigate visa processes with ease and confidence. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more visa tips from Law and Visas. For personalized visa assistance, send us a DM or WhatsApp message. Thanks for watching. Wishing you all the best with your UK visitor visa application. You've got this.